Just a video to help you deal with cumulative update Windows 11. First, you will have to follow the steps here. You can also go into the catalog, Microsoft catalog, and download it manually if you want, and that will help you. Or you can clear cache by running cmd command prompt as a run on your Windows, cmd admin, and then once you run cmd admin, then you can run the following commands. It will be in the comments for you to follow. But you can also go to the Microsoft catalog, and in the catalog, all you have to do is search the KB or file it relates to, and then click on search. Once you click on search, you will be able to download. Once you download it, you should be able to install it on your machine. The installer will run for you automatically. Usually this problem happens when you are downloading on top of an already pre-installed version of the file, and it will stuck in a loop and keep repeating the cycle continuously, and you'll be stuck there for a while. Once you clear cache, try the re-download or follow the catalog. That will help you. And this is the file there, and now it's installing the file and uploading and downloading. Just follow the step by step and you should be fine doing that. If you need more help, just message and we'll assist you. Take care.